welcome to my peachy makeup tutorial. I did this look on my Instagram a few days ago, so I decided to do a tutorial of it. My Instagram is here, by the way. And this was literally £1, so I'm not bougie, okay? We're not out here spending money. Okay, let's just hope I'm in focus. Oh, by the way, I've already done my brows. And you can literally use any eyeshadow or any contour. I use eyeshadow. I used a Morphe 25B palette. This is like the best palette. It has like so many kind of like useful colours in it. You can use like a powder that's like all like packed together, or you can use like a loose one. I'm using a loose one just to like bake your face and set it in place. Update, my camera did die, so I did have to wipe off the bake. First I'm going to take the Sweet Peach Too Faced palette. You can honestly do this with any palette as long as it has pink. So first I'm going to take Summer Yum, which is like a darker pink, and I'm going to put this in my crease using the... why am I freaking acting like a beauty guru? Using an eyeshadow brush. Doesn't matter which one, really. We're not professionals here. I mean, some of you might be, but you know. So then I'm going to go into Bellini, which is like this shimmery pink, kind of more rose goldy toned. And I'm just going to literally use my finger. So I'm basically just going to take like the pink colours out here and put them on my nose, basically. And then I'm just going to like put it kind of where the highlight would go, not really, more like towards the kind of apples of your cheeks where you'd put blush. I'm going to take this brush and just blend out the like pink so you don't look as if you've been punched in the face. Although other people literally look so cute with this. Unfortunately, I do not. I literally look like I'm being punched.
If I blend my nose enough, will it disappear?
And then I'm just going to take the highlight that I usually use, which is in Ice. It's really cool because it's like hot. It's like hard to break it. I was meant to be wearing my denim jacket this whole time.
Like, why?
Because I thought it looked good and now I forgot. I'm just going to curl my lashes and put mascara on. I would use fake lashes, but I didn't buy any lash glue. So if you have fake lashes, now is the time to put them on, or you can also line your eyes, which I'm not going to do because I always mess up. So my camera keeps dying and the memory card keeps saying it's full, and this is not in focus, but... Look, and I just put my hair into like two little bunchy things. Thank you so much for watching this video. You can like subscribe and stuff if you want to. My social medias will be linked down below. Most of them are just Sammy Rose with an X instead of the O in Rose. So yeah, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye!